Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. So the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G is one of the most anticipated upper mid-range device from Samsung. Since from last month we are started hearing more and more leaks for the device, and based on these leaks we pretty much know about the design, price, specs and even its launch date. So in this video we will be discussing all the things which we are know based on those leaks. So starting from the design, we have similar look on the front as of the Galaxy A51. We have a centered punch hole design, in-display fingerprint sensor, but it's the back which has been changed now. We have a camera bump which is a little bit on the thicker side, and this is because of the Samsung new design language which we have seen since from the last year. Also we have a new camera sensors on the back side, and there is going to be a camera ring on the sensors as well. As far as the specs goes for the Galaxy A52 5G, they has been leaked courtesy to a Twitter leakster, and it gives us pretty much good detail what to expect from the A52 5G. As far as the front screen is concerned, it's coming with a 6.5-inch of Super AMOLED display with a 60 Hz of refresh rate, in-display fingerprint sensor on the front, and also we have a 32 megapixel of selfie camera. The bezels around the edges are going to be pretty much slimmer and looking similar to the Galaxy A51. On the back we have a plastic body, whereas the sides are going to be metal. The back has a quad camera setup in which the main camera sensor is of 64 megapixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel of camera sensor, in which one of them is expected to be a depth sensor camera while the other one is possibly a portrait shot. Also the camera bump is including an LED flashlight as well. Internally we have a Snapdragon 750G processor which has more than enough power to increase the performance of the device. Also it has a decent gaming performance, and overall it's going to be absolutely amazing in terms of the GPU and CPU performance. Also it is included with an 8 gigs of RAM, and for storage the base model is coming with an 128 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage option. As far as the batteries is concerned, we have a massive 4500 mAh of a battery capacity, which is 500 mAh bigger than the last year model. To charge this battery, it is supported by 25 watt of charging brick inside, which has a USB-C cable. Don't expect any charger in the box, as Samsung is shifting towards environment saving trend. It will be available in black, blue, lavender and white colors option, and its price will be ranging for $475 for A52 5G base model. As far as the launch date is concerned, a new report claims that Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy A52 in the last week of March, so that's more than a month from now. However, the phone official unveiling might happen a bit earlier, which means we won't have to wait more than a few weeks to confirm the leaked information. So overall, I think that this device is going to be looking absolutely amazing. An addition of 90 Hz refresh rate will be amazing. But anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What are your expectations for the Galaxy A52 5G in the comment section below, and if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.